Hi, how to enter the timesheet for major tasks for a project in simpliRP ERP. Go to Project Timesheet Entry. Select the project. Select the task and enter the timesheet. Please note, this timesheet is for the major task. This is not the timesheet for subtask defined under the major task. Once timesheet is entered, click Save. You can see the already entered timesheets are appearing below. Once all the timesheets are entered, now, go to Project Plan versus Actual. You can see, both plan and actuals are appearing. If you click on the major task, you can see the timesheets of subtasks are appearing. While you keep the mouse over the actual dates, you can see the timesheets of the major task. simpliRP is the easiest way for project management. Thank you.